Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today I want to show you two awesome Tupperware products that make everyday life a whole lot easier. First up is the Eco Bottle Brush. This thing is about 15 inches long, which makes it perfect for reaching deep into bottles, tumblers, pitchers, anything that's hard to clean, like baby bottles even. It's sturdy, it's flexible, and designed to help you get every corner spotless. If you ever struggle to clean tall drinkware, this brush is going to be your new best friend. I've had one for about 5 years now, and I love it. I use it almost every day. Our second item up is the Big-T-Tumbler. This powerhouse holds 37 ounces or 1 liter of fluid, so you can stay hydrated all day. And the insulation on this thing is amazing. It keeps hot drinks hot for up to 4 hours, cold drinks cold for 17 hours. If you put ice in it, what I do is I fill mine halfway full of ice, and it keeps it cold for up to 48 hours. That's brand new. Now, I've had one similar for about 4 years, and it still keeps stuff really ice cold for about 32 hours. Now, just a reminder on the tumbler, it is not safe for dishwasher. The brush is, but please don't put your tumbler in the dishwasher. The heat will ruin the insulation, and then you're out all that time and effort of locating one. Anyway, if you're looking for durable, dependable Tupperware products that make life easier, the Echo Brush and Tumbler are definitely worth checking out. I'll be doing more videos later this week. I will leave some links down there in the bottom so you can check out these items on my store, and you can also check out the catalog. Check out other stuff that might interest you. Have a great rest of your week. Have a blessed evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time of day it is that you're checking out this video. See ya.